Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are well. Let's start the subject Maths of Standard 5th. In that section B, questions for the 1 marks. First one, dear students, see the figure. All sides are 3 centimeter and we have to find its perimeter. And you can see that all the sides are same. That means this one is a square. So perimeter of square equals to 4 multiply side. So 4 multiply side is 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 centimeter. Okay. Or you can add the all the side of the square. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So it will be also 12. And the unit is centimeter. So our answer is 12 centimeter. Second, again we have to given the square. All the sides are 4 centimeter and we have to find its area. So again we know that all the sides of square are same. So here the shape is square. So area of square, that means side multiply side, and all the sides is 4 centimeter. So 4 multiply 4, that is 16. So 16 centimeter square. Okay, we have to write the area of square. So square is compulsory, centimeter square, or you can write also 16 square centimeter. Next, we have to given the shape of rectangle. You know that both the sides are different, 5 centimeter and 2, and opposite sides are equal. That means the opposite sides of 5 centimeter is also 5 and opposite side of 2 centimeter is also 2 centimeter, and we have to find its perimeter. That means perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 in bracket L plus B, that means length plus breadth, 2 length, that is 5 plus 2. So first one we have to do the addition of 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 2s are 14. So our answer is 14 centimeter. Or you can do the addition of all these 4 sides. We have to given 2 and opposite sides are also same. Okay, so from that you have to also find its perimeter. Next, fourth one, again this one is rectangle shape and we have to find its area. Okay, the given two sides are 5 and 2 centimeter. So we know that is rectangle. So area of rectangle, that is L multiply B, length multiply breadth, that means 5 and 2, 5 2s are 10. So 10 centimeter square, or you can write 10 square centimeter. Next, fifth one, find the perimeter of square whose side is 6 centimeter. Okay, we have to given the one side, that is 6 centimeter, and we have to find its perimeter of square. We know that all the sides of squares are same. So perimeter of square equals to 4 multiply side. So 4 multiply side is 6 centimeter. So 4 6 are 24. So perimeter of these square is 24 centimeter. Clear? Dear students, we have to given only one side. Okay, but we know that all the sides of squares are same. Okay, so according to that we have to do the calculation of these types of sum. Question number 5. Find the perimeter and area of square whose side is 7 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the area and perimeter of square. That means all the sides are same. So here I draw the figure of square and all the sides, that is 7 centimeter. So perimeter of square, 4 multiply side, 4 7s are 28 centimeter, and area, that is side multiply side, that is 7 by 7, 7 7s are 49 centimeter square, or you can write 49 square centimeter, whatever you want. Second, find the perimeter and area of rectangle whose length is 8 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter. Okay, we have to given the length and breadth of rectangle. So here I draw the figure of rectangle. In that length is 8 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter. And dear students, we know that opposite sides of rectangle is same. So the opposite sides of length, that is other length, that is also 8 centimeter, and opposite sides of width, which is also 4 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 in bracket L plus B, that means length plus breadth. So 8 plus 4 and multiply by 2. So it will be 24 centimeter. That means perimeter of this rectangle is 24 centimeter. Now area of rectangle, that is L multiply B. Okay. So length 8 and width 4. So 8 multiply 4, 8 4 is 32 centimeter square or 32 square centimeter. Third question, find the length of rectangle. Dear students, here we have to find the length of rectangle whose width is 4 centimeter and perimeter is 20 centimeter. So here I draw the figure of rectangle. In that width is 4 centimeter and we have to find the length. But we have to also given the perimeter. Okay. So we apply the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 in bracket L plus B. So perimeter we have to given. So we have to put all these number which we have given. So perimeter is 20 equals to 2. We have not L, we have to find it. So we have to put L as it is plus B breadth, that is 4. Okay. So here 20 divided by 2. Okay. Because 2 is multiplied with L plus 4. So when it goes to the other side of equals to, it will be goes to the in denominator. Okay. 2 है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई में है L प्लस B के साथ, इक्वल्स टू के उस साइड जाएगा तो वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. ओके. ये रूल है मैथ्स का, you have to follow it. So 20 divided by 2, that is 10 equals to L plus 4. And again we have to find the L. So 4 है यहाँ पे प्लस में है तो इक्वल्स टू के उस साइड जाएगा तो उसकी साइन चेंज हो जाएगी, प्लस की जगह माइनस. सो 10 minus 4 it will be 6. That means length of these rectangle is 6 centimeter. Okay. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स ये रूल है मैथ्स के, अगर कोई भी नंबर इक्वल्स टू के दूसरी साइड जाता है तो अगर प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएगा, डिवाइड में है तो मल्टीप्लाई में चला जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई में है तो डिवाइड में चला जाएगा. ये रूल आपको याद रखने हैं, लाइफ टाइम के लिए ये रूल फॉलो होंगे. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हमारा FA3 का सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो रहा है. आपको नोटबुक में ठीक से लिखना है एंड रिवाइज करना है ताकि एग्ज़ाम के टाइम आप बहुत ही अच्छा लिख पाओ. Okay, practice it, do it well. Thank you.